much friends. Now we discuss multi-stage graph. In a multi-stage graph, G equal to V comma E is a direct graph in which the vertices are portioned into k greater than equal to 2, that is the disjoint sets, that is Vi, 1 less than equal to I less than equal to k. In addition, if U comma V is an edge in capital E, then U and Vi and Vi plus 1, U belongs to Vi and V belongs to Vi plus 1 for some I, 1 less than or equal to I less than k. If there will be only one vertex, then the sets Vi and Vk are such that Vi equal to Vk equal to 1. Let S and T, the source and destination respectively, the cost of path from source to destination, that is S to T, is the sum of the cost of edge on the path. The multi-stage graph problem is to find a minimum cost path from source to destination. Okay, so the multi-stage graph problem is to find a minimum cost path from S to T, and each set Vi defines a stage in the graph. Every path from S to T starts in stage 1 and goes to stage 2, then to stage 3, then to stage 4, and so on, and terminates in stage K. This multi-graph problem can be solved in two ways. The first one is the forward method and second one is the backward method. See here, in the forward method, assume that there are k stages in a graph. In this forward approach, you will find out the cost of each and every node starting from the kth stage to the first stage. We will find out the path, that is the minimum cost path from source to destination, that is stage 1 to stage k. Okay. See here, we can assign the V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. That is the 1, 2nd, 3rd, and 4 and 5. These are different stages. This is a source and to destination. See, maintain a cost of matrix N which stores the distance from any vertex to the destination. If a vertex is having more than one path, then we have to choose the minimum distance path and the intermediate vertex which gives the minimum distance path. Okay. So, if a vertex is having more than one path, then we have to choose the minimum distance path and the intermediate vertex which gives the minimum distance path will be stored in the distance array D. In this way, we will find out the minimum cost path from each and every vertex, and final cost of one will give the shortest distance from the source to destination. So in this multi-graph, we can use the two approaches. See, the first one is the forward method and second one is the backward method. When we go for forward method, we will find out the cost of each and every node starting from the kth stage to the first stage. Okay, different stages V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. These are the different stages. And here the maintain a cost of matrix in which stores the distance from any vertex to the destination. If a vertex is having more than one path, then we have to choose the minimum distance path and the intermediate vertices, and which gives the minimum distance path will be stored in the distance array D. In this way, we will find out the minimum cost path from each and every vertex. And finally, will give the shortest distance from the source to destination. For finding the path, start from vertex 1, then the distance array D of 1 will give the minimum cost neighbor vertex, which in turn give the next nearest vertex, and proceed in this way till we reach the destination. For a k-stage graph, there will be k vertex in path. In the above graph, V1 to V5 represent the stages. That is the 5 stages graph can be solved by the using forward approaches. Okay. See step 1. The cost 1 equal to 0, cost of destination D 11 equal to 5, 10 equal to 2, cost of 9 equal to 4. Then D of 12 equal to 0 and D of 11 equal to 12 and D of 10 equal to 12 and D of 9 equal to 12. For forward approach, cost of I comma j equal to min C of j comma L plus cost of I plus 1 comma L, then L belongs to Vi, plus 1 and j comma L belongs to E. See, then cost of 8, there is minimum of C of 8 comma 10 plus cost of 10 comma C of 8 comma 11 plus cost of 11 equal to min 5 plus 2 6 plus, there is 8 comma 10 see 8 to 10 5 plus cost of 10 equal to 2, then 8 comma 11 equal to 6 and cost of 10 equal to 5, then minimum of 7 comma 11 equal to 7, then cost of 8 equal to 7, then d of 8 equal to 10, then cost of 7 means c comma 7 comma 9 plus cost of 9 comma c of 7 comma 10 plus cost of 10, then there is a 4 plus 3 comma 2 that equal to mean 8 comma 5 that equal to 5. Okay, cost of 7 equal to 5, that is d7 equal to 10, and cost of 6 equal to mean c of 6 comma 9 plus cost of 9 comma c of 6 comma 10 plus cost of 10, then mean 6 plus 4 comma 5 plus 2, then minimum of 10 comma 7 equal to 7, then cost of 6 equal to 7, then cost of 5 mean c of 5 comma 7 plus cost of 7 comma c of 5 comma 8 plus cost of 8, and min 11 plus 5 comma 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, then cost of 5 is equal to 15 divided by 8, and cost of 4 min of c comma 4 comma 8 plus cost of 8 plus min equal to 11 plus 7, then 18, and cost of 4 equal to 18, d of 4 equal to 8, and cost of 3 min of 3 comma 3 comma 6 and cost of 6 plus c comma 3 comma 7 plus cost of 7 equal to mean 2 plus 7 comma 7 plus 5 equal to mean of 9 comma 12 that equal to 9. Then cost of 2 mean c of 2 comma 6 plus 6 to 7 7 comma 2 comma 8 that equal to 7, and cost of n equal to 16. See here, using of this condition, that is cost of I comma j equal to min c of j comma l plus cost of I plus 1 comma l. Based on this condition, this equation, we can solve the problem. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. See, the forward graph g comma k comma n comma p, if cost of n equal to 0, then for I n minus 1 to 1, step minus 1 2, then R be a vertex such that j comma r is an edge and g and c of j comma r plus cost of r is the minimum, then the minimum cost is 1 and p of k, then for j equal to k minus 1 2, then p of j equal to d of p of j minus 1. Okay. Anyone, we can use the forward or the backwards. We have to here we can first do only forward approaches. See, this is the equation. This is the cost of I comma j. You can calculate the cost values. Mean c of j comma l plus cost of I plus 1 comma l. Then l belongs to vi plus 1. So this is using of these equation, we can solve the values of cost. This is the 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is an algorithm of F graph. The input is a k-stage graph. Okay, see here, this is a problem. You can use the backward approaches, forward approaches. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, cost of 8, cost of 7, cost of 6, cost of 5, cost of 4, cost of 3, and cost of 2, and cost of 1. Okay, this is the algorithm for forward. So we can also, using backward approaches, we can also construct the multi-stage graph. So using the maybe backward or it may be forward. Here we can apply only from the forward graph. Using the forward graph, we can calculate the values of the particular vertices. Okay. Next, optimal boundary search tree, that is called OBST. So, given a fixed set of identifiers, when we wish to create a boundary search tree, it may lead to different for the maintenance of the characteristics. Okay, here consider a set of identifiers. We have to consider there is a do, while, int, if, and here two type of possibility boundary search trees. We have to construct a OBST. Okay, the first tree takes, we have to construct any tree of the using of for, do, while, int. So in a for, the left tree is a do and right is while and left int and left is if. Another one is the for is a root node and left node is a do and right node is a int and int left is if and right is the while. In that way, the first one is the 4, the height is the 4 and second one is the 3. In that way, the first tree is takes the 1, 2, 3, 4 the components to find the identifiers, thus the even number of the comparisons is 12 by 5, and they go for the second tree 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 the comparisons to find the identifiers, the average number of comparisons is 11 by 5. So the number of comparisons different the same search tree in a particular node is considered as a cost. Okay, then the cost of tree is the same of the cost of successful searches. Okay, when you are using the successful search, you can trees and a tree for a given set of identifiers with a minimum in a cost optimal boundary search tree. If a successful search terminates at one internal node on level L, then L interchange or needed hence the expected cost of contribution from the internal node for A is f of 1 and the level of A of I for an unsuccessful search. The boundary search tree can be partitioned into n plus 1 equivalent sets classes of E, that is 0 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n, and unsuccessful search node EI at level of L. Then L minus 1 iteration as are needed, hence the expected cost as contribution of this node is Q of I into level EI minus 1. Is one of the equation, and expected cost of binary search tree is sigma 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n, then into P of I into level of A of I plus sigma 0 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n of Q of I into level of A. Obviously, for the given identifiers that is formed, the equation 1 is the minimized. We can perform the operation by applying dynamic programming approaches is made to decision to while the PI should assign the root of the tree. If choose the K, then the external load is the E1, E2, E3 and so on, EK minus 1. The left subtree and the right subtree of you can easily find the particular optimal boundary search tree. Then the cost of left first subtree is equal to cost of L equal to sigma 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to K of P of I into level of A of I plus sigma A less than or equal to I less than or equal to K Q of I into level of E of I minus 1 2. Then cost of P of I into level of Xi plus sigma K less than or equal to I then A Q of I into level of sigma, and W of L comma J is represent the sum Q of I plus sigma equal to 1 to 1 plus 1 to J, there is Q of L plus P of L. Then the total expected becomes P of K plus cost of L plus cost of R, W of 0 comma K minus 1. If T is optimal, then equation 4 must be the minimum. Then let the cost of L equal to C of 0 comma K minus 1, then cost of R equal to C of K comma N. Then P of K plus C of K minus 1 plus Kn plus W of 0 comma K minus 1 W of Kn. There is the value we have to consider. How to consider the C of I comma J equal to mean I less than K less than J, set C of I comma K minus 1 plus C of K comma J plus P of K plus W of I comma K minus 1 plus W of K comma J. Okay. And equation solved for the C of 0 comma n by the computing all C of I comma j such that j minus 1 equal to 1 and j minus I equal to 2. Initially, we can assign C of I comma I equal to 0 and W of I comma I equal to Q of I, then 0 less than or equal to I. And during the each computation record R of I comma j of each t of I comma j, so that optimal binary search tree can be constructed, also known as that W of I comma j equal to P of j plus Q of j plus W of I comma j minus 1. Okay, that is W of I comma j equal to P of j plus here P of j plus Q of j plus W of I comma j minus 1. Okay, is one of the condition, and also C of I comma j, and initially C of I j equal to 0 and W of I comma I equal to Q of I. Okay, then R of I is whenever you have to construct each and every tree T of I j, that optimal binary search can be constructed. Okay, here in the optimal binary search tree, we have to calculate the different type of subtrees and implement of the particular constructions. Okay. See, for example, to construct all the optimal solution binary search trees for n equal to 4, then the P and Q, the P of 3 comma 3 comma 1 comma 1, and the Q is 0 is to 4, 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. And here we can assign the A values, that is the A1, A2, A3, A4 equal to 2 comma if comma int comma y. Okay. See, here we can assign the totally the n equal to 4, that equal to 0 to 4, that is P of equal to 0 to 4. See, initially W00 equal to 2, W11 equal to 3, W22 equal to 1, W33 equal to 1, W44 equal to 1. See here. See here. 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. So what we say in the W of I comma I equal to Q of I. That is, here is the Q of I, Q of 0, Q of 1, Q of 2, Q of 3, Q of 4. Okay. So W00, Q0, 11, Q1, 22, Q2, 33, Q3, 44, Q4. Initially C0, 0, 110, 220, 330, 440. Initially R0, 0, R110, R220, R330, R440. Okay. Listen. See. Q of 0, 2, Q of 1, 3, Q of 2, 1, Q of 3, 1, Q of 4, 1. Okay. Initially, W of I comma I equal to Q of 0, like W0, 0, 1, 1, Q1, 2, 2, Q2, 3, 3, Q3, 4, 4, Q4. 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4. So initially C0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 3, 0, 4, 4, 0. And initially R 0, R1, 0, R2, 0, R3, 0, R4, 0. Okay. Now we have to construct W of I comma j. So what is the equation of W of I comma j? P of j plus Q of j plus W of I comma j minus 1 is P of j plus Q of j plus W of I comma j minus 1. Okay, and C of I comma j equal to mean I less than k less than j, C of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k comma j plus T of k plus W of I comma k minus 1 plus W of k comma j. The using of these equations, there is a W of I comma j and C of I comma j, we have to construct the tree, and R is the root, we can, R is the value of, we can consider whenever we have considered the W of 0 1, which is the satisfy the particular value of the condition, we can use the R 0 1. Okay, that is each tree Tij, so that the optimal binary search can be constructed. Okay, now how to construct the optimal binary search tree, here we can see that one. Okay, okay, so next class we will discuss how to construct a optimal binary search tree with this use of these values. Okay, so now for W01, C01, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, so different type of values we have to construct and optimal binary search tree. Okay.